Have you ever had an accident while driving without recognizing danger in advance? Through sensors mounted on the front of the vehicle, a perception of the surrounding environment, the driver is aware of possible dangers in advance. The system consists of AI terminals and ADAS cameras. ADAS camera mounted directly under windshield, and through simple and quick calibration. Headway warning. Forward collision warning. Lane departure warning. Pedestrian collision warning. The ADAS system can be integrated with more AI recognition functions. Together they protect driving safety for every driver around the clock.